The Realme had released the Narzo series with an idea of bringing affordable performance-focused smartphone into the Indian market. And today's video we unbox Realme Narzo 10 and give a full review about that. Can we buy this smartphone or not? So let's get started. Welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for getting more updates. Narzo 10 comes in the usual yellow color Realme packaging. At the top they said #1 quality smartphone brand. I don't know about that. Just comment below, is it true or not? This smartphone is pricing at 12,000 rupees and only one variant is available, that is 4GB RAM 128GB internal storage. And this is the specs highlight. At the bottom they given more information. The SAR value is low, that's pretty good, and I'm buying that white color variant, and another one is that green color variant. So let's unbox this. We have another yellow color cardboard box. At the top, they given SIM ejector tool, and also provide the hard black shaded transparent case. And the quick start guide and information booklet. Now, get the phone and remove the plastic cover. Turn on the phone. Put the phone here and let's look at the box. Type-C USB cable. They provide the 18 watts charger in the box. The fingerprint sensor provided in the back of the phone. The back is made up of plastic. They provide a glossy finish. It gives quite good look. Water drop notch at top with 16 megapixel selfie camera. At bottom, the 3.5mm headphone jack, USB Type-C port, microphone and finally loudspeakers. The volume buttons and SIM slot in left side. The top is left at totally empty, noise cancellation is not provided. Dual SIM card slot with one dedicated micro SD card slot. Fingerprint sensor also works fast as well. MediaTek Helio G80 chipset inside the phone gives moderate gaming experience. It lags little bit in higher graphics settings. Benchmark is close enough to Snapdragon 710 and 712. The GPU used in the phone is Mali G52MC2, but it gives the clock speed little higher. Realme keeps the weight of the phone under 200 grams. Weight is 199 grams, but it does not feel hard in your hand. It produces better sound and clarity of the sound is not so good, but okay. Now coming back to the display, we have the HD Plus resolution LCD panel here. It is protected by cornering Gorilla Glass 3. We get vibrant color display, but the 720 pixel display gets that feels not so good. The 6.5 inch display only gives 270 pixels per inch. They didn't look quite as crisp. While you're in outdoor, your mobile screen is like this, even in the higher brightness. One thing you should to know, it has eMMC storage, so it does not quite faster as UFC 2.1 storage devices. DDR4X RAM is used in here. It helps to multitasking. The performance is not so bad, but okay. But I'm facing one issue, that the device lagged for a few seconds after I end the call, then it's back to normal. Maybe it is fixed in software update. The device is run on Android 10. It is in ColorOS version 7. The Realme UI animation is so smooth, and you don't get irritated by application ads, like MIUI-OS. The Game Space app helps to boost your phone for gaming, thereby it gives better gaming experience. Tap add icon to add your game. The best thing in this phone is, it has 5000 mAh battery. But it takes more than 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100. The battery can easily last more than 1 day. So finally go to the camera. The secondary camera has 16 megapixel selfie camera. The quad camera setup at the back. The camera app provide to take night shots, portrait shot, 48 megapixel shots, slow motion videos, panorama, time lapse, ultra macro and expert mode. Now let's see some camera samples. The primary camera has 48 megapixels with 1.8 lens that take pictures that looking sharp. The dedicated night shots gives us a blurry images. The 8 megapixels camera for take ultra wides pictures. And other 2 megapixels sensor for taking macro shots. And another 2 megapixels is depth sensor for portrait shots. The video is captured at 720 pixels. The quality of the video is enough for that price segment. This is the slow motion video. Tap edit icon and the value, move the point to the right, is to make hyperlapse videos, and move left to take slow motion videos. But the slow motion videos is not good. So let's go to the conclusion. Is it really worth to buy? Let's discuss about its pros and cons. Pros of the Narzo 10. Attractive design, long-lasting battery, and the powerful chipset at this price segment. Cons are the 720 pixel display, slow touch response and also lag, slow charging speed, take 2 hours to complete charge. These are the major pros and cons of the Realme Narzo 10. You can also prefer Vivo U20 and Redmi Note 8. These are also same price with better camera and full HD display. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for my more updates. If you have any doubts, just ask in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for my daily update.